Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to edit code in cPanel. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in this website where I found a guide that perfectly explained how to edit HTML code in cPanel. It's inevitable that you will have to edit HTML code for your website. Maybe you need to update the path for an image or change the paragraph text on your website. For example, if you have minor changes to make, that can be done quickly. You can use the HTML editor in the cPanel file manager to change the code. This is called editing on the fly, which is changing the files of source website while it's live. Let's go to the file manager and see how the cPanel code editor works. So the first step is to log into your cPanel. After you log into your cPanel, step 2 is go to the file manager in the files section. As you can see guys right here in the picture, go ahead and click on file manager, and then step 3, navigate to the HTML page you want to edit. Once you find it, go ahead and click on it. Step 4, right click the file and choose the HTML edit option. You can also select the file and click the HTML editor link on the top. So right click and then you're going to find HTML editor right here. Step 5, now you should see the HTML editor interface. You can make changes to the page using the visual editor and top toolbar. Step 6, you can also click the source button to add code or change code in your file. Step 7, if you see a pop-up message, read the warning, then click edit button. And lastly, when you are done making the changes, you can click save on the top left. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.